Yeah, you got the whole Beamer in the garage, yo. Get the out of here. Oh, wait. You said I don't know. It didn't have a button. Yeah, I didn't even know there's this many parts to take off.
A lot of shit, bro.
Yo, bro. The car won't start.
I know it won't.
Why wouldn't it start?
I lost the key.
The engine is literally gone. Alright, hold on.
Filming and laughing at me. My car working, his don't one day.
Well, mine ain't gonna work a lot.
But if
That's why I bought
I don't gotta pay a car note.
Yeah, that's why I bought the beater.
That's what I was trying to do. Like, I was getting some of it off.
Nah, don't worry about that stuff. Don't worry about all that.
I'm gonna vacuum that shit up.
Yeah, cause you're gonna don't worry about that stuff. What you taking off now?
Belt.
Let me see.
They got one of them ways.
Oh, it go this way.
Right.
Cause it's all the way back. I think it go down this way. See?
Yeah.
Now take off the belt.
Nah, it said like
Tug it.
you be able to bang it off or something.
It said bang it off.
Not bang it off, but like like. There you go.
Cool. So what's the problem? Problem is when we install these valves, well, valve springs into the seats, this tool interferes with the metal right here. See? Get right here in the metal. That's our adjustment at the top. So we're gonna go ahead and customize this tool. We're gonna take wrenches. This is an E39. What motor is this again?
It's an M54.
M54 with an M, right?
M.
So we're gonna go ahead and bend these back.
This came out of a 525, 2.5.
I keep thinking you had a 530. Customize this. we doing a custom job
Mom
here.
interrupting us.
We're doing a custom job. Right, now let's see if it fit. Boom! Look at that. Perfect fit.
Custom.
Just a little customization.
Customization.
Get on this
zoom
side.
in on that.
That's the tool, y'all, boy?
Yeah, we had to customize the tool because it wouldn't fit.
So at first we didn't get it to go down.
But now we got it fully.
Boom. Compressed. Get it going.
I feel like a genius.
Third mechanical tool.
Part two. Look, that's how you get your keepers on, man. Get your little tweezers.
We don't know how you get them on just yet.
Make sure the recessed part goes down. Get in there.
I don't know about the other side.
We ain't got no
Y'all buy something y'all eat?
axle grease.
Yeah, we got some fast food.
We sponsored by Raising Cane's today, y'all.
We'll do the shrink later, y'all. Take whatever y'all get on.
Cool.
Alright, we'll be back.
We'll be back.
We get another issue that we can solve.
Nah, just good.
You're gonna lay down and watch my shit. You know, eat my next bonnet in there. What do you call it?
Keep it in there. Mom's making us buns while we work on camshafts and shit.
Bam, you see that? Oh, crap. Alright, hold on. You see it's in there?
Boom. Getting seated.
I just loosen it up. There we go. That's how we get them spring in there.
Now you gotta grab the side.
Oh yeah.
Boom. One valve. We running on half a cylinder right now.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and cut it
Mike's
out of that.
Creations, man.
That's how you do straight six. Put the valve in. Next thing, who knows what we're gonna do?
We on. It's that time. It's that time.
Yo, come on, hurry up. You gotta put it right here.
I'll be looking at my nipples, YouTube.
Go, gang shit.
Alright, now how you want me to lift it?
Right on, over here.
You got the front?
Yep. Drop it down. Now you see what I'm saying about you need to stand in there? There's no way we could have did that without you standing in there.
Wow.
When are you coming around?
Alright, day 2 right now.
Came outside one day. I was fixing money. So I was in it. She was like, yo, do you have a battery jumper? My car won't start. She was talking to me. I looked up also.
Alright, I'll meet you back over here, bro. We got
Day 2 for him. It's about day 1 to 7.
Well, yesterday we took the timing cover off, changed the guides, put the stuff back on. What's that called? The crank pulley. Crank pulley. We cleaned up, put the head gasket, put the head, well actually the exhaust on the head, put the valve springs on. Listen, we just put everything that you see right here that wasn't here yesterday is what we did. That's what obviously makes sense. Oh yeah, we definitely need a car wash. Definitely need a car wash. Crazy. We're gonna clay bar it here. After that, I would have bring clay bar with me, but the way it looked, it looked like C4. So I ain't wanna it looked like some C4. I ain't wanna get that tap on the shoulder. Hey sir, come follow me. Come with me real quick. Then we gonna work on this. No, we ain't gonna really fix this too much. This needs a lot more than that need. Well, I don't know. This was extensive engine-wise, but this needs brakes, everything. But mainly on this, what we're gonna do is, since we have a code for catalytic converter efficiency, how we deal with our catalytic converter problems, we just get rid of them.
Put a tune on.
And put a tune on it. So we just gonna get rid of this one right now. We're gonna ride check engine lifestyle.
It look like we care about the air quality, huh?
You speak for yourself. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and trick the computer to think that the cat is on there, so we don't get a check engine light, and we can run more boost in this hunk of junk that doesn't probably doesn't need more boost.
I can't control the boost it already got.
Yeah, the intercooler pipe ain't gonna come off one time, but we gotta bolt this exhaust up too. We gotta bolt both exhausts up. Both of these are literally like straight pipe right now, yeah. Like, not even straight pipe, it's basically no pipe. We're gonna get out of here and we're gonna be back when we got all this on, right? All right, cool.